Hi, I am Liam. Today, something very bad happened to me. I lost my job.
This morning, I arrived at my office and I found a letter on my desk. I opened the letter and I read it. My heart stopped. Every morning, I walk to work. The city is quiet and the air is cool. I like my morning walk. I entered the office and I said hello to my colleagues. But something felt different today. I sat at my desk and I saw an envelope, a white envelope with my name on it. I picked it up slowly. I opened it carefully and I started to read.
The letter said, "Your position is no longer available." I could not believe it.
I walked to my manager's office. My hands were shaking. I knocked on the door. My manager looked at me and said, "Liam, I am sorry. The company has to make some changes."
He explained the situation. I listened quietly. I did not say anything. We shook hands. I said, "Thank you for the opportunity," and I walked out.
I packed my things into a box, my small plant, my coffee mug, my photos.
I carried my box and I walked to the exit. Everyone was watching.
I stood outside, on the street. I looked back at the building. 3 years of my life were inside.
I went home and I sat on my sofa. I looked at the ceiling. I did not know what to do. I searched for new jobs on my phone. There were many jobs, but none of them felt right.
I opened my laptop and I updated my resume. A resume is a list of your experience. It is very important.
I sent 20 applications to 20 different companies, and then I waited. I stood at the window and I looked at the rain. Waiting is very difficult. Every day felt. I looked at my phone every 5 minutes, but nobody called me. I received many emails. They all said the same thing. Thank you, but no. Called my friend Tom. I told him everything. He said, "Liam, do not give up. Something good is coming."
That night, I fell asleep on my sofa. I was very tired. My laptop was still open.
The next morning, I woke up and I said to myself, I will try again.
And then I saw it. One job at the bottom of the page. A perfect job.
The job was at a marketing company. They needed a creative person. That is me.
I called the company immediately. My voice was shaking a little, but I spoke clearly and confidently. They invited me for an interview. I wrote the date in my notebook, Thursday at 10 in the morning.
I prepared very carefully. I chose my best shirt. First impressions are important.
Liam, I looked in the mirror and I said, "You can do this. Liam, you are ready." On Thursday morning, I walked to the interview. The sun was shining. I felt nervous, but ready.
I arrived at the company. It was a beautiful, modern building. I took a deep breath.
I sat in the waiting room. My leg was moving up and down. I was very nervous.
The door opened. A woman said, "Liam, we are ready for you." I sat down and I smiled. The interviewers introduced themselves. Their names were Sarah and David.
They asked me, "Tell us about yourself." I talked about my experience and my skills.
I spoke, slowly and clearly.
Then they asked a difficult question. What is your biggest weakness? I thought for a moment.
I answered honestly. I said, sometimes I work too hard, but I always learn from my mistakes.
At the end, we all stood up, we shook hands, and they smiled. I felt that it went well.
I walked outside and I breathed out very slowly. I did it. The interview was finished.
I went home and I waited. 1 day passed, 2 days passed, still no call. On Friday afternoon, my phone rang. I did not know the number. My heart was beating fast. I answered the phone. I said, "Hello, this is Liam." The woman said, "Liam, congratulations. We want to offer you the job." I could not believe it.
I jumped up from my sofa. I said, "Yes! Yes! Thank you!" I was so happy. I called Tom immediately. I said, "Tom, I got the job." He laughed and said, "I told you something good was coming."
I video called my family. My parents were very happy. My mother said, "We are so proud of you, Liam."
That evening, I cooked a special dinner, just for me, to celebrate my new beginning. I raised my glass and I said, to new beginnings, and to never giving up.
On Monday morning, I woke up early. I was excited. Today was my first day at the new job.
I dressed carefully, I looked in the mirror, and I winked. I said, "Let's go, Liam." I walked to work with a coffee in my hand. The morning was beautiful. Everything felt new and exciting.
I stood in front of my new office. I took a deep breath, and I walked inside.
Sarah welcomed me with a big smile. She said, "Welcome to the team, Liam." I felt immediately at home.
I sat at my new desk. It was clean and bright. I put my small plant on the corner. I stood at the window and I looked at the city. 3 weeks ago, I lost my job. Today, I have a better. That evening, I walked home in the golden light. I thought about everything that happened. Sometimes, the end is a new beginning. I learned something important. When something bad happens, do not stop. Keep going. Something amazing is waiting for you. Thank you for listening. I hope your English is improving every day. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story. Goodbye.